Hey, what's up guys, thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to use a single name on Facebook. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily use single name on your Facebook profile. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store. If you're using iOS, then I will advise you to log into your account using Android device, because it is very simple to do this on Android device. Now once you open your Facebook, once you open your Play Store, search for VPN lite. So you can see VPN lite over here. Now if you're already having this application, please just update this application over here. Now once you have updated or downloaded this VPN lite, just search for your Facebook and also update your Facebook application. So if your Facebook is not updated, you need to make sure you update your Facebook application. Now in the first place, once you are done with this, open your your VPN lite application. So open VPN lite application. We have to connect to this particular VPN, so just connect to this application and you can see quick connect. Once you open this application, you can see quick connect. Click on that and wait for a while as it is loading over here. Now all you need to do is to search for your server over here. So search for Indonesia. So search for Indonesia over here. Now once you search for Indonesia, just wait as it is loading. Click on it and you can see Jakarta. Now click on the second one, and once you click on the second one, just connect to this and you can see connect. Click on connect and you can see connecting. Now just connect to this particular VPN and you can see you have now connected to this particular VPN. So you can see I have now connected to this VPN lite with the server Indonesia Jakarta. Now once you have connected to this particular VPN, all you need to do is to just open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook over here, just click on your profile or the three lines at the top right corner and then click on settings over here. Now once you click on settings over here, all you need to do is to just wait. So click on settings and once you click on settings, you can see settings and privacy over here, and it's gonna take you to account center. So you can see account center. So you can see more in account center, which is written in blue. So click on that, and once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this place and then click on your profile. Now once you click on your profile over here, all you need to do is to just click on your name. You can see I'm already using a single name on my account because I have been using this method all this while. So click on your name. Now once you click on your name over here, just wait as it is loading, and you can see your first name and your last name. So your first name, you just write your name over there, and then the last name you just write just space bar. And once you are done with this, click on review change. So just enter the first name using the single name you want to use, and then the last name just enter space bar. And once you are done, click on review changes. Now go back to your profile over here. So just go back and let me click on my profile over here, and you can see I'm using my single name over here. So with this, you can use a single name. All you need to do is to log into your account on Android device, because it is very easy to use on Android device. So I'm using single name on all my accounts, even including the one that I'm using on my iOS, because I just logged into my account on Android device and I use this easy method. So with this, you can use a single name on Facebook. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video